Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money via ACH transfer. An ACH transfer, or automated clearing house transfer, is a type of electronic payment that allows you to send money from your bank account to another bank account. To get started, you will need to gather some information from the recipient, including their name, bank routing number, and account number. The bank routing number is a unique 9-digit code that identifies the bank and is usually found on the bottom left corner of a check. The account number is the unique identifier for the recipient's bank account. Once you have this information, you can initiate the ACH transfer through your online banking platform or mobile banking app. Look for the option to send money or make a payment, and then select ACH transfer as the payment method. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's information, including their name, bank routing number, and account number. Double-check that this information is accurate, as incorrect information can cause the transfer to fail. Next, you will need to enter the amount of money you want to send and select the account you want to send it from. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Finally, confirm the transaction and the ACH transfer will be initiated. The funds will be deducted from your account and deposited into the recipient's account within 1 to 3 business days. It is essential to note that ACH transfers are subject to certain limits and fees, so be sure to check with your bank to understand their policies. Additionally, ACH transfers are generally more secure than other payment methods, as they are regulated by the National Automated Clearing House Association and are subject to strict security protocols. By following these steps and best practices, you can send money via ACH transfer quickly and securely. Remember to always verify the recipient's information and review the transaction details carefully to avoid any errors or issues.